Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. In a big step towards engine development program, HAL has started the preparation for testing of STFE engines. In this video, we will discuss about the testing and latest development about the engine and what are its significances for Indian Air Force. There is a huge connection between Indian Air Force Jaguar and STFE-40 engines. Sepcat Jaguar is a twin-engine Anglo-French jet attack aircraft used by Indian Air Force in close air support and nuclear strike role. Currently, Indian Air Force has 120 Jaguars in service. During midlife upgrade or Darren 3 upgrade of Jaguar, Indian Air Force upgraded the Jaguar with modified avionics architecture, new cockpit with dual SMD, solid state flight data recorder, solid state video recording system, autopilot system and integration of new multi-mode radar. The engines were also upgraded to ADOR MK811 engine, but Darren 3 upgrade caused additional weight problem due to addition of new avionics and radar, resulting underpowered Jaguar. The new ADOR 811 engine provided the thrust of about 32.5 kN, but after a decade of service, it dropped to barely 26 kN. This has posed a great challenge for Jaguar and it is facing difficulty in carrying out demanding combat roles such as flying low and fast, deep penetration into enemy territory, bombing its ground target accurately in a single pass, and then screaming back to the base ahead of enemy interceptors. In these missions, survivability and speed is the key, which is driven by power. Previously, HAL was negotiating with Honeywell to retrofit F125IN turbofan engine into Jaguar to overcome its thrust issue, which generates an impressive thrust of 40 kN with afterburner. But this idea was dropped after high price quoted by Honeywell for engine and retrofitting. The cost of one engine will come around $13.3 billion or 95 crore rupees. Installation and integration of this engine will further bump up its price to up to 120 crores. This price is definitely high for just engine upgrade and almost 60% of the price of new Tejas Mk1A, which is around 315 crore per aircraft. Now the problem is, if Indian Air Force does not consider the upgrade for its Jaguar fleet, it will have to start phasing them out by 2024. Now after all this mathematics and economics, HAL and Indian Air Force decided to develop engine on their own. The STFE-40 engine is the result of that initiative. As per the latest update, design and development of 25 kN thrust class turbofan engine is under progress, which can be used on both basic or advanced military trainer, small business jet and large fixed wing UAVs. The engine can be used in a 5-ton weight class aircraft in a single engine configuration and on aircraft up to 9-ton weight class with twin engine configuration. The HAL has produced 2 core engines so far, which is undergoing developmental trials. Sea-level trials have been completed on core engine and performance was found to be satisfactory. HAL is testing and developing STFE-25, that is Hindustan Turbofan engine, a 25 kN thrust class turbofan engine to power the indigenous intermediate trainer jet once it completes its spin trials. HAL has now officially proposed to develop a reheated derivative after certification of STFE-25 called STFE-40 to be used as a new power plant for the aging Jaguar strike aircraft. In March last year, HAL has taken up design and development of afterburner technology for STFE-25 aero engines. The HAL STFE-25 is a 25 kN turbofan engine under development by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Based on technical feasibility, Indian Air Force will require 240 STFE-40 engines for its 120 Jaguars, creating a huge business. Presently, HAL has produced 2 engines and completed 339 runs as of 2019, out of which 96 runs were conducted in 2018-19. These engines have successfully completed cold trial tests at 14 degrees Celsius with a spark igniter and has also achieved 100% maximum speed with and without IGV modulation. The HAL has also initiated the development for integrating afterburner technology on the engine. In March 2019, the first tests with a basic afterburner configuration were conducted on the engine, and now HAL has again started the preparation for testing of STFE engines. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your view about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions on any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our channel if you have not done already. We will soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in the defense sector.